Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, students, today we will study chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Animals and Their Friends. Okay? Students, in this chapter, we will learn about why some animals live in groups and behavioral patterns in animals and animals' partners and how animals protect themselves, and we will also know ant and bee colonies and body coverings in animals. Okay, students, let's start our learning. Okay, so man is often called a social animal because like animals he also likes to live in groups. Living in a group gives him a sense of belongingness and security. Okay? Now we will know why do animals live in groups. Okay? Students, like humans, animals like cow, deer, elephant and bear move together in groups. They live together and move in groups to protect each other from enemies. Okay? And to raise their young ones and to get warmth from each other's bodies. Okay? Penguins huddle together to keep themselves warm. And fish swim in groups is called shoals. Okay? Grass eaters like cow, deer, and zebra move in groups for safety. And students, insects like ants, termites, bees lives in huge colonies where each one has a special job to do. Okay? And next topic is why do animals care for each other? So, students, animals that live in groups care for each other. Young monkeys are defended from attackers by the adult monkeys in the group, and female lions take care of their young cubs together. Okay? And student, musk oxen live in herds. When they are attacked by wolves, they form a big circle with the young ones inside the circle, and they protect the herd from the wolves. Okay? So, students, do you know animals show different behavioral patterns? Okay, let me tell you. Like human beings, some animals are shy while some are friendly. Students, some animals like cockroach, rat, rabbit, and lizard are shy. They run away if you go close to them. A tortoise pulls its legs and tail into its shell in fright if you go near it. Okay? And some animals are friendly. They are easy to make friends with if you pet them, call them lovingly, or feed them. They understand that you are not going to harm them. Okay? And hence come to you like dog, cat, and buffalo. Okay? These animals are friendly animals. Okay, students? And what we have to remember? We always be kind to animals. Okay? So, now we will know about how animals protect themselves. Okay? Animals protect themselves from enemies in different ways. First of all, some animals like earthworm, rabbit, and snake hide themselves from their enemies by going under rocks or inside the holes. Okay? Second one is some animals can camouflage themselves in their surroundings. Okay, what is the meaning of camouflage? Students, camouflage is the ability of an animal to merge with its surroundings so that it cannot be seen by its enemy. Okay, like stick insects and leaf insects can camouflage themselves very well. Third one is some animals have designs on their bodies that scare their enemies, and some butterflies have large eye designs on their wings so that looks like the head of a very big animal. Okay, fourth one is some animals are very poisonous They attract the enemy with their bright colors and flashy patterns. And when they are eaten by the enemy falls sick. The enemy remembers this and avoids that type of animal again. So, okay, do animals have the same kind of ears? Let's understand it. Students, just like humans, animals also have ears, and all animals cannot hear all sounds. Some animals like rabbit, elephant and fox have long ears that help them to catch a lot of sound. And the fennel fox that detect the sound of termite chewing beneath the ground, and it also uses its ears as radiators to get rid of body heat. Okay, and some animals like rat and polar bear are having very small ears, okay, which they can close completely while swimming. And birds do not have outer ear. They have two holes instead. Okay, and you know that a bat is the only mammal that can fly. Okay, now our next topic is, do animals live in colonies like humans? Yes, animals like ants and bees live in colonies. So first of all, we will know about incredible ants. Students, ants live in colonies that consist of thousands of ants, and they dig deep into the soil and make big ant hills that can be commonly seen in the ground or in grass. Okay, and you know, an ant hill or ant colony has thousands of ants that include the queen ants that lay eggs and live for 10 to 20 years. Okay, now we will know about busy bees. Students, honey bees can be seen sucking nectar from flowers with their tube-like tongue. And once their stomach are full of nectar, they go and split the nectar in the cells or compartments of the beehive. Okay, and the cells are sealed with the wax produced from their bodies. Once they are full of nectar, in a few days the nectar changes into honey. Okay, and you know, a bee colony has one queen bee that lays up to 1,500 eggs in a day. The eggs are kept in the cell which on hatching into larvae, the guarded by the worker bee. Okay, and the male bee also called drone. Okay, now we will know why do different animals have different body coverings. Okay, so students, different animals have different body coverings to suit the place where they live. Okay, first of all, we will know that birds have feathers on their body that help them to fly and to keep warm. Okay, there are some animals like deer, zebra and camel. They are having very little hair on their body, and this helps them to live in the hot areas. And there are some animals like yak and polar bear. They are having very thick hair on their body, and which keeps them warm in winters and in the cold polar regions. Okay, and some animals like tortoise, snake and crocodile have scale on their bodies. Such animals are called reptiles. Okay, the scales protect the animal and prevent water loss from their body, right? And by now you would have well understood that how amazing the animal world is, right? So here we have completed our chapter number 7, and now what you have to do? You have to read the chapter twice and learn the hard words and bookwork. Okay? Bye bye. See you soon.